Let me talk about the search bias claim so that we understand some of the facts and the law. It was rejected unanimously for many reasons, but I'm going to mention just four. First, the evidence showed that Google search is designed to maximize the benefits to consumers and did so. There was no consumer harm. The changes that Google made to its algorithms were invariably designed to improve the user experience. The side-by-side test results that are referred to in the FTC statement showed that. They showed that each change was viewed by users as an improvement. And there was no evidence, as you would want if you were going to litigate this case, no evidence at all that Google ever impaired rival sites because they were rivals. If rival sites were impaired, it was because improving the search experience for users warranted that result. Now, in this process, many rivals, including Amazon most prominently, gained, while others lost. But Google's goal and the outcome was always finding the best result for users. Now, Mr. Reback's clients complain about that and disagree with it, but those sites were identified by Google personnel as spam. That message was conveyed to them. They were asked to change certain aspects of their site. Some of them did. They improved in their rankings. Others did not. So Mr. Reback's complaint about manual adjustments is just completely all wet. Second point, the entire concept of favoring Google's own properties is a flawed concept. Shopping, flights, restaurant reviews, and the like on Google are not, quote, Google other properties. They are Google's search results. A user looking to buy shoes on Google has already selected the search engine, namely Google, that she wants to use. If the user wants to search on Nextag or on Amazon, she can go there easily, directly. Third point, Bing and other search engines operate in just the same way. Now, this is not a tit-for-tat argument. It's compelling evidence that what Google does cannot be an effort to exercise market power, but is instead, as the evidence showed, an effort to satisfy users. And in fact, as Jeff mentioned, detailed analysis and objective outside observers, such as Search Engine Land, have found that Bing, in fact, quote, favors its own properties, quote, much more than Google does. The metric that Jeff gave is 14%, but you can go on Search Engine Land and see some screenshots demonstrating just that. Fourth, and very importantly, even if there was an alternative universe in which Google did bias its search results to, quote, favor its own properties, that is just not an antitrust violation as a matter of law. Crinko makes clear that Google has no antitrust duty to assist rivals by featuring their properties over its own, and many cases make equally clear that using one's own assets to gain share from rivals is what the antitrust laws encourage, not prevent.